Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to join ManyChat affiliate program. And you may be looking at my screen and wonder, what am I currently in? This is Partner Stack, guys. So if you haven't got a Partner Stack affiliate program account, you want to head over to partnerstack.com and create an account, because this is one of the best affiliate marketing platform that you can join, and you can find a ton of different affiliate programs and offers that you can get and you can join within Partner Stack. And of course, ManyChat is one of them. So once you're in Partner Stack, guys, just simply go ahead and click on Discovery on the top right here. And I can guarantee you, once I scroll down, it will show ManyChat. As you can see right there, it is showing on the top here as one of the top companies that you want to join right now is ManyChat, and they're offering 30 to 50% in recurring commissions, so that's super good. So, and if you're not finding it right here, just simply go ahead and use a search at the top right here and simple type in many. You'll find ManyChat. You can click on that and it's going to take you right over to the ManyChat page right here on Partner Stack. Right here, you can see that it's going to give you some details about the ManyChat right here. It tells you that you're getting 30 to 50% in working commissions right here. You can fill in your details for the application right here. And once you go ahead and fill in all of those details that is required, you can apply for the program. To do that, just simply fill in your company name or your full name, your phone number, select your country, select the one that describes you best. So if you're a publisher, if you're an influencer, blogger, consultant, educator, whatever it is, you fill that in. Go ahead and choose if you're familiar with the ManyChat right here. Again, they're asking you how do you plan to promote ManyChat. From here, they're asking you for proof of reach. So here you can fill in your YouTube channel or whichever website or newsletter, whatever it is, your Instagram profile. Go ahead and fill that details here. Just basically put the link right here. Your audience overview, they're asking you right here how many subscribers you have, the traffic and all those good stuff right here. Audience geography, they're asking for regions and all those stuff for your audience right here. Your past experience, they're asking you about your past experience here. Industries you work with, you can go ahead and fill in that details there. The specific tools, resources, and assets that you'll need from ManyChat to maximize your success as a partner right here. Go ahead and fill it in, and then just go ahead and select those approvals right here and submit your application. And that's all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.